Okay.
Okay, ready? Ready? Weston, Easton, lift up your pumpkin lids. Lift it up, Weston, and look. Read them. Read them. The top one. Hold it up.
We are going to Disney. Something. Disneyland. Whoa.
Disneyland. Easton's right.
We're going to Disneyland.
We're going to Disneyland.
Not Disney World.
Disneyland. We haven't been to Disneyland. Do you know when we're going to Disneyland? Tomorrow.
Yay!
Tomorrow.
And then we get to celebrate Halloween.
Uh-huh.
Yeah!
Put your lid down. Put your lid down. Do you want to go trick or treat with Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
In Disneyland?
What does the next one say?
That says we are going to Disneyland.
That one? Disneyland.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow we are going to Disneyland.
Do you want to get on a plane tomorrow morning and go to Disneyland? Disneyland doesn't make Weston laugh.
I know how to do it.
Are you excited, Easton?
Yeah, I'll put it back on. Yay! Pop. Yay! Pop.
Are you excited to pack your stuff up now to go to Disneyland tomorrow?
Yeah.
Weston doesn't look very excited.
I'm ready to go to Disneyland. It scared me. You should skip a bit.